What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the BBR heavy duty springs for the 2019 and 2020 CRF110, but you can do this pretty much, I think, any year, like 2010 and up or 13 and up. So either way, it's going to be the same process for pretty much whatever you have, KLX or CRF, but we're just going to do one spring because we heard that 2 springs is way too stiff. So we're just going to do the right side spring, and hopefully that should be stiff enough for us.
Yeet.
Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do is a 17 right here. Right here. You want to loosen this.
Lefty loosey. Give her the old wrench trick because she's a little tight.
Done. Already loose. All you want to do is just crack it loose. You don't want to take that off all the way yet. So just crack it loose while it's clamped in the forks. So save you some hassle in the long run. Loosen the pinch bolts on the forks. There's one down there, and there's one up here.
And there's one right there.
Front axle, 14 and a 19.
Give her a couple taps. Don't hit it too hard. It might damage the threads. Slide her out. Drop her down.
Nope.
Bike's
Because we already loosened the fork, she'll slide right out for you. 17 on impact, or you can use a socket and wrench. So for these, we're not doing the dampening rods in them. So usually you would have to loosen this and drain all the oil so you can get the dampening rod out. But we are just doing the springy boy. So we don't have to worry about draining any of the oil. Pop this out. It's gonna be
a long cylinder thing.
a long spacer. And then you're gonna want to compress it. Just keep an eye in there for the oil. Take a spring puller. Watch out, try not to lose that washer on top. Now, we will take the new springy boy and just drop her in. There's going to be one smooth side and then one kind of beat up side. The beat up side goes on the bottom. The spacer, put that on top. Just probably clean it off a little bit. And then I'm going to take it on a ratchet. I wouldn't use an impact. You'd probably destroy the threads. Once that's tight, we're going to tighten this down after it's back in the bike. But springs in, spacers in, and you're stiffened up. Okay, so now that your shock is all put together, just do the steps of taking it apart in reverse and put it back together. Don't forget to tighten that top bolt once it's the fork. The pinch bolts are tight. Yeah, just give her a good old crankaroo.
That'll do it.
That's so nice.
Is it?
Dude, look at it. It doesn't sag when you sit on it.
Wait, get off it. Not pick up. Sags like a half inch, not 2.
Like a tiny bit. Dude, before it would be sitting like here.
Yeah, that would be right there. You fucking sat on it. Can you see?
Yeah, 2 springs is way too much.
Oh my god, it just feels nice. Your brake's mad loose. I can crank the freaking twist throttle. Shut up. Wow! Stay in school.